Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girl, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls daily use collection. Most demanding collection, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern, handmade knitting variety. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful designing, different ideas. Some are pocket style, zipper style, crochet step style, leather step style, chain step style, wooden handle, metal handle, bow tie style. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, union function, and casual at your office. Most demanding collection, most likely collection. Most girls like crochet handbag. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.